Hello, and thanks for tuning back in. I'm STEK Michael, and today we're out at Griot's Garage in Tacoma, Washington. And we're here for a very special triple RWB build event. You can see a few RWBs to my left, but we're just about to walk into the garage where the magic's happening. And the first one on the docket is this beautiful purple RWB getting the STEK DYNOmatte treatment. The team over at Prestige Auto Salon were kind enough to lend us their talent and their time, so they're actually doing a full body installation live for the folks here watching the build event in our DYNOmatte. It is actually a very close finish to the original paint from Phantasy Kolors, which I must say knocked it out of the park, and the owner's been thrilled with just how good it looks. Even though the PPF's going on, it's not taken away from the finish whatsoever. But the real magic behind me is happening with these RWBs in progress. Nakai himself is out cutting these cars up in proper fashion and making it a true art piece. There's a little bit of a crowd today, but this is just day one of the 4-day event. So stay tuned for more of the action and seeing just how well these cars come together. The man's an artist and a visionary, and we're excited to be a part of it.